Hello students, we the maths teachers welcome you back to the e-learning program. Let us recall what was learned in the previous video. We learned definition of decimal, knowing decimals and converting fractions into decimals. Today we will learn about converting mixed fractions into decimals, place value chart and decimals in words. Conversion of mixed fractions into decimals. A mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. 2 is a whole number, 1 by 10 is a decimal fraction. Observe the three rectangular strips of equal size which are equally divided into 10 parts. The first and the second strips are fully shaded, and in the third strip only one part is shaded. Therefore, the fully shaded strips are considered as a whole, that is 2 whole, and third strip is considered as 1 by 10. 2 and 1/10. 1/10 is equal to 0.1. 2 in decimal form is 2.0. Now add 0.1 to 2.0, that is equal to 2.1. Thus 2 1 by 10 is written as 2.1. Let us consider another example. 3 4 by 10. First, convert the fractional part 4 by 10 to decimal form as 0.4. Now, add 0.4 to 3. 3 plus 0.4 is equal to 3.4. So, 3 4 by 10 is equal to 3.4. Consider 3 2 by 100. 3 is a whole number, 2 by 100 is a decimal fraction. 3 and 2 hundredths. 2 hundredths in decimal form is 0.02. Now add 0.02 to 3.0, that is equal to 3.02. Thus 3 2 by 100 is written as 3.02. 2 wholes and 60 2 hundredths in mixed fraction, it is 262 by 100. 2 is a whole number, 62 by 100 is a decimal fraction. 62 by 100 in decimal form is 0.62. Now add 0.62 plus 2. 2.00 plus 0.62 is equal to 2.62. Now we will consider 5 16 by 1000. 16 by 1000 in decimal form is 0.016. Now add 0.016 to 5.0, that is equal to 5.016. Thus, 5 16 by 1000 is equal to 5.016. Consider 8 12 by 1000. Decimal form of 12 by 1000 is 0.012. Now add 0.012 to 8.0, that is equal to 8.012. Thus, 8 12 by 1000 is equal to 8.012. Decimal place value chart. Now, let us learn decimal place value chart. The value of each digit in a number depends upon the place it occupies in place value chart. Moving to the left, the place value increases 10 times for each step. Moving to the right, the place value becomes 1/10 for each step. Any fraction with 10, 100 or 1000 as its denominator can be expressed in decimal form. Decimal numbers. Let us consider some decimal numbers and the place values of the digits in the number. 34.7. 4 ones are 4, 3 tens are 30, 7 tenths or 7 by 10. Consider 187.145. Decimal point separates whole number and the right decimal number. 138.637. The place value of whole part is 8 ones or 8, 3 tenths or 30, 1 hundredths or 100. Decimal part is 6 tenths or 6 by 10, 3 hundredths or 3 by 100, 7 thousandths or 7 by 1000. Let us consider decimal number 375.948. 5 ones or 5, 7 tenths or 70, 3 hundredths or 300, 9 tenths or 9 by 10, 4 hundredths or 4 by 100, 8 thousandths or 8 by 1000. Consider 0.132. 0 ones or 0, 1 tenths or 1 by 10, 3 hundredths or 3 by 100, 2 thousandths or 2 by 1000. Consider 14.007 decimal number. 4 ones or 4, 1 tenths or 10, 0 tenths or 0, 0 hundredths or 0, 7 thousandths or 7 by 1000. Let us consider 9.022 decimal number. 9 ones or 9, 0 tenths or 0, 2 hundredths or 2 by 100, 2 thousandths or 2 by 1000. Let us identify the place value of the underlined digit. 78.121. Here 2 is in hundreds place, so the place value of 2 is 2 by 100. 31.447. Here 4 is in tens place, so the place value of the 4 is 4 by 10. 105.489. The place value of the digit 0 is 0. Here 8 is in hundreds place, so the place value of the digit 8 is 8 by 100. Or in decimal form, we can write it as 0.08. The decimal form of the digit 9 is 0.009. Decimals in words. Let us learn to write decimals in words. 7.29. Here the word "and" is used for the decimal point, and we write this as 7 and 29 hundredths. We can also write this as 7.29. 85.64. 85 and 64 hundredths, or 85.64. 2.452. 2 and 452 thousandths, or 2.452. 0.52. 52 hundredths or 0.52. 0.052. 52 thousandths or 0.052. Dear children, this week's home assignment will be sent along with the next video. Thank you.